Welcome to Men Having Babies. My name is Emma and I work closely with our surrogacy team, Dr. Meyer and Dr. Leondires here at RMA of Connecticut. This video is just a quick intro, so thanks for watching it first. You might see a lot of content from gay parents-to-be here on our whiteboard, in addition to some articles and videos from Reproductive Medicine Associates of Connecticut. So what's the connection between the two? Gay parents-to-be as our educational resource, a starting point, and a springboard for LGBTQ plus parenting that's made possible by the staff, laboratory, and resources at Reproductive Medicine Associates of Connecticut, a fertility clinic based in the Metro New York area. When our own medical director, Dr. Mark Leondires, wanted to start a family with his partner, he was unsure of where to begin, even though he had worked in the fertility sphere for years. Now, they're dads to two adorable children through IVF and surrogacy, the process you're all here to learn about today. And RMA of Connecticut works side by side with gay parents-to-be to provide quality care and education to members of the LGBTQ plus community. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions, need more information, or if you just want to chat and have fun at Men Having Babies.